welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below #ChillificationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be recreating Slime Obsidian's slimes. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. The slime that I will be recreating from Slime Obsidian Slime Shop is this slime called Dragon Fruit Refresher. It is a pink, thick, and glossy slime. So to make the slime, I'm going to go ahead and add in some glue all. Okay, that should be good. And now I'm going to add in some school glue. I'm only going to add in a little bit. This will make the slime glossier and stretchier. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix the glues together. Now to make the slime nice and stretchy, I'm going to go ahead and add in some lotion. 1, 2, and mix that up. By the way, you guys, I was expecting the slime to be a clear-based slime because the Dragon Fruit Refresher drink from Starbucks is clear, not cloudy. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now, to make the slime nice and glossy, I'm going to go ahead and add in some baby oil. You only need to add in a splash of baby oil or else the slime will become oily. I'm going to show you guys. Wow, you guys, the slime looks so glossy. So now it's time to color the slime. I'm looking at the slime right now and it is pink, but it looks like it has like a tint of purple in it. I'm going to add in this pink food coloring. This is gel food coloring.
Probably should have used a toothpick.
Oh, okay, I really messed up. That's a lot of food coloring. Wow, I really messed up. So this slime is too pink, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of purple paint. Mix that in. So here is the final color that we got. I think this looks pretty good. So now it's time to activate the slime. I'm using a borax activator of 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of hot water. I add in a little bit and I'm just gonna mix it up. Glue wall slimes are a bit trickier because they're super stringy, so you only need to add a little bit at a time to make sure that you don't over-activate it. So I'll see you guys when the slime is fully activated. So here is the slime fully activated. It is pretty glossy and it is super thick and pokeable. Okay, so now it is time to make it actually look like a dragon fruit. So inside the slime, there are some, it looks like black glitters. So I'm gonna add in some of this black glitter. Kind of dropped it, but that's okay. Okay, like so. I think that should be good. So now we're gonna add in some scent to the slime. It's supposed to be dragon fruit, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna add in this grapefruit scent. It smells super delicious. Okay, now I'm gonna mix that in. So now guys, it's time to decorate the slime. So over here I have this like container thing that I'm gonna pour the slime into, like in the photo. I'm just gonna drop the slime and then make like a little swirl. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna sprinkle some black glitter on top. I'm gonna add some dragon fruit slices on top. Carefully put on these dragon fruits. So this is how the slime looks. I think it looks pretty good and it's super close to the original slime. So this slime is super pokeable and it is super glossy and has amazing bubble pops. You guys, this color is super pretty and it's probably one of my favorite colors. As I think I did pretty good in recreating the slime. I think the color is practically on point. Down below in the comments what you guys would rate my recreation, and the slime really gives me Starbucks vibes. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. See you guys in my next video.